through various other types of bureaucratic delays, he's not able to send a resupply to the colony until 1590. All right, so it's basically 2 years until he's able to get back there. And this is where we get the fable of the lost colony. All right, because when he shows up, they find 3 letters carved into a post. They find their site abandoned. And they find 3 letters, C-R-O, crow, carved into a post. And the agreed upon signal had been when he left that if he came back and there wasn't anybody around, they would leave some sort of message as to where they were going, right? If it was necessary for them to abandon the site, he would be able to find them. And if that signal had a cross carved in it, above it, that would be a sign of distress. We've gone away because we're in distress, because there's some sort of emergency situation. So they poke around. They find the word Croatoan carved into another location, a tree or something like that. Right? So pretty clear, right? Pretty clear message. Look for us at Croatoan. No cross signal. We haven't left because we're under attack or we're starving to death or whatever. So the next logical thing, right? Hop on your ship, sail down to Croatoan Island, see what you can find. Doesn't happen. All right, because of circumstance of the ships that they're on. Again, captains wanting to go sail into the Caribbean, bad weather. White never actually visits Croatoan. So is it the lost colony or is it the abandoned colony?